Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. Yeah, quick update here on the shorter time frame. So overall, the idea is still that we can get one more high here in this fifth wave that we've been discussing over the last few days and couple of weeks really, as long as the 66 cent level is holding. Below that level, we are most likely going to morph into a different wave count, into a larger degree fourth wave, in which price can come down all the way to 56 cents without really hurting the scenario. Below 56 cents, however, I don't really have anything clearly bullish. So at the moment, the idea, however, is that we still have a chance to rally out of the yellow support area higher. And we wanted to explore a few ideas for potential micro counts here in this choppy range. And what certainly, what we can say is that we have a complete ABC structure. So it doesn't need to go any lower in this yellow support area. But still, so far, even if we have a complete or at least complete looking correction, I cannot really tell you that I have any clear signal that the correction is over, because the move up that happens now, this, you can't even call it a rally. It is just sideways movement, no impulse to the upside, nothing. So I have to remain skeptical about the idea that this could be a complete ABC structure. I showed you a potential micro count in the previous video, what I need to see for it to confirm that a lasting low has been struck here on Tuesday, but this one failed. So that means we don't really have a clear vision, or we don't really have clear visibility about the potential that a low could already be made here in this waveform. The question remains then, how could this unfold? So of course, either we're going to break below 66 cents and we're morphing into the larger fourth wave, but at the moment we're still holding support. So how could all of this play out? Well, I'm starting to think maybe it's going to be a larger triangle, an Elliott Wave triangle. How is that going to be labeled? Well, a triangle is not an ABC. A triangle has an ABCDE pattern. So what could be the case is that we had the A wave here, the B wave top, a C wave down. Now we could be working on a D wave, and we could then get another wave down in an E wave, basically a higher low. This is one possibility, but then it would need to move higher in the D wave. Again, this is just choppy price action, and doing any work here on the micro level is really more like nice to have and having a bit of fun with labeling. It's not really in any way predictive. It is really, really difficult. This is just range movement, okay? And as long as we're holding 66 cents, the focus can be on higher. So if I was going to label this as an Elliott Wave triangle, which would break to the upside, then I would still like to see the D wave a little bit stronger. And how would that work? Well, see, maybe a wave W, a wave X, and now the Y wave to the upside next in the D wave. I would still like to see the D wave a little higher here. That is why I've put in a WXY, because the D wave should, theoretically you could say the D wave ended here with today's high. However, looking at the proportions of an Elliott Wave triangle, it would make it more likely for it to go a little higher, because what is the target for the D wave? Well, it would be between 74.2 cents and 78.7. That would be the ideal target range here for a D wave. Then we should get one more higher low in an E wave and we can rally higher. Again, this is just sort of nice to have, a little bit of labeling for fun. I would expect this to morph and to change. We're dealing with a very low wave degree and wave count, and the XRP chart anyway is moving only in 3 waves. It's a bit messy. But either way, this is one possibility how this could play out, but it would need to hold for that to work out. It would need to hold the 67.4 cent level. Then we could be observing if this is going to become a triangle, but it needs one more, you could say, well, one more higher high below, above the last one, but lower high compared to the 20th of July high, and one more higher low. So this is what I'm observing. Besides that, not really much more clarity. the 66 cent level remains the most important short-term support level. Okay, that's my update about XRP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.